Okay, my name is Travis Huggins, and we're doing the second part of our lab work this week. We're going to examine two long bones, which I've highlighted here, the radius, I guess I could use my mouse, a radius, and the ulna. And we're going to examine their function. Now, a couple interesting facts, though, about them real fast. So we know long bones, the long part of the center is the diaphysis. And then on the edges, the rounded edges of all long bones is called the epiphyses. And for these two bones, the proximal epiphyses, of the radius is called the radial head. Now, it makes sense that this side would be the ulnar head, but it's actually the distal part of the ulna, the distal epiphyses, that is called the ulnar head. They are held together by the interosseous membrane, which is essentially, it helps distribute force evenly between the two bones so that one doesn't get overloaded. Now, their function is that they articulate with the humerus, which is just out of sight here. It's the bone directly above here. They also articulate with the carpals, which is the bones down here in the wrist. In addition to that, they articulate with each other at the radio-ulnar joints, which are right where they meet in here and in here. They fit together real nicely and they articulate together. So that is the functions of the two long bones, the radius again, and the ulna. Thank you.